Hi, I'm Bryce Merkl Sasaki, and I'm here at Graph Connect Europe in London with JJean Villedieu, the co-founder of Likurious. And so, Jean, if you could talk to me about, for people who might not be familiar, what is Likurious? What does it do? Who uses it?
Sure. So Likurious is a graph visualization startup. What that means is that we help organizations like NASA or the French Ministry of Finances look at the connections in their data. And we are trying to help them find hidden insights. And our product is applied in cybersecurity, in anti-fraud, in network management, or in medical research. In all of these domains, you have large, massive graphs, and business analysts are struggling to find insights in these large graphs. We make that happen through an easy-to-use solution that anyone can use.
Okay, great. Then can you talk to me about how Likurious was used in the Panama Papers?
Sure. The Panama Papers is a brilliant example of what can be accomplished using tools like Neo4j and Likurious. A group of about 370 journalists use Likurious to investigate and search the Panama Papers data, and that's 1,500,000 documents, and they uncovered in this biggest data leak in history, they uncovered the names of various criminals, high-level politicians, and stars who are involved in money laundering, sometimes tax evasion, and they were able to find these suspicious connections via visual and interactive interface.
Okay, good. And then, when you guys were, starting Likurious, things like that, what made you choose Neo4j? What made that stand out, or what was behind that decision?
So it was very, very natural choice when we started the company. Our vision was to help organizations tackle the issues linked to large graphs. And we are not talking about millions, but not even hundreds of millions, but about billions of nodes and edges. And at the time, it was clear for us that the leader in that space was Neo4j with its leading graph database product. And we also knew that there were great people involved in the company, and we wanted to work with the technology and with the people behind it.
Yeah. Okay, great. Then what have been some of the most surprising or interesting things you've seen, from Likurious projects, whether it's customers or your own projects? I don't know. What have been some of the most interesting moments?
I think something which always surprises me is the range of use cases, the range of topics where you can apply graph visualization and where Likurious can help find insights. So I think I mentioned, anti-fraud and cybersecurity, and these are, use cases which are commonly associated with Neo4j. But we also have customers who are doing knowledge management, who are managing media properties, and it's all doing medical research. In all these domains, there's a common need to understand massive graphs, and it's very exciting, to be involved in these projects. Some of today's most complex data challenges are really graph challenges, and it's great to be able to offer some tools and techniques that helps analysts find insights and solve these problems.
Yeah. Okay. Great. Anything else you want to add or say? Any closing thoughts?
Sure. So Likurious is a partner of Neo4j. We are very excited by this relationship. And if you have a Neo4j graph database, we can help you turn that data into something that your business analysts can use to make smart decisions. And we'd love to hear from any Neo4j customers who need help.
Yeah. Okay, great. Well, thank you so much for your time today. It's good to talk.
My pleasure, Bryce.